Welcome to Glen Valley here. We have a beautiful 2.7 acre property. First time it's hitting the market in over 50 years. Beautiful park-like setting here. Let's go take a look. Whether you're looking for a garden oasis, a small hobby farm, or to build your custom home, this property has it all. Need room for your projects, tools, getting things done? This property's got excellent shops, lots of space to get all your projects done. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Properties like this don't come up often. Schedule a tour and let's take the first step to making your dreams come true.